Welcome back to Minca, everybody. Today we're gonna go to Cascada Escondida again, so you can know how to get there, okay? I'm gonna show you the road to Cascada Escondida so you can visit this amazing and beautiful waterfall, okay? So let's go. This is the entrance to Minca, and here you're gonna see the police station, and we're gonna go this way. Over there you see Daniela waiting for me, and you start the hike through this road. When we get to this junction, you don't go left, don't go there, okay? We're gonna go straight. Go straight here, and we keep going, okay? You're gonna see this hardware store on the right, and here you keep walking in this direction. We just left Rio Elemento, and we're gonna continue with our hike. I was told by the girl at the reception that some people call Cascada Escondida also this Valhalla waterfalls. So you please keep an eye on that signage. You're gonna see there Cascada Valhalla. So you don't go left, you keep straight. And I was just told by Danny that Valhalla means paradise in the Viking mythology. So just follow that signage, Valhalla Cascadas or Valhalla Waterfalls. To another junction. Here we go right. See again the Valhalla sign, Valhalla Hostel. It's a hostel as well. They're promoting their hostel. Anyway, so we're gonna go towards Valhalla Hostel. So you don't go here, you go here, where Daniela is right now. And look how beautiful this place is already. I mean, the whole hike is amazing. Here you have the sounds of the river, Minca River, el Río Minca. Aquí vamos bajando. Here we go. We have here again the Valhalla Waterfalls had signage. Let's keep going. We get to this point where we have to go down that way. So don't look for the Valhalla signage anymore. It's just the hostel trying to promote themselves. So when you get to this point, you have to look for this signage. Look at that, Cascada Escondida, hidden waterfall. Okay. Be careful, okay? Put the hike down. And remember, bring long pants to this area. It's very important. If you have long sleeves as well, you can remove them because it's really hot. But to avoid mosquito bites, wear long pants. And be really careful going down this way, okay? If you can, please use one of those sticks that people have for hiking, okay? You're gonna get to this property, you have to go through it. They only charge you 5,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. That's a little bit more than $1, not even $2. They're gonna charge you just to go through the property so you can access Cascada Escondida. At this point, you don't go there, you go down, okay? We're gonna keep going down, so please be very careful. When you come here to this point, so at this point, we're gonna go left And there you have that signage. Welcome to Cascada Escondida. Welcome to the hidden waterfall. We've made it to Cascada Escondida. And this is Rio Minca once again. Es el Rio Minca. Cascada Escondida, here we are, guys. We're gonna go in there. It's not that deep, and you can cool down first, and then you go in the water. That is really, really cold, but it's beautiful and amazing to go in there. It's so refreshing. Look how majestic this place is. So here we are. It took us like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It depends on your pace. But look how beautiful this place is. It's amazing. If you liked the video, don't forget to follow us on Land and Sea with Pacho. See you next time. Cheers.